Hi guys, welcome to channel FreeCode Snippet ID. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to find the minimum and maximum element in an array in Gzip. To solve the problem of finding the minimum and maximum element in array, you can follow this step. Step 1. Write a function to find the minimum and maximum values in the array. Step 2. In the setMinimum function, iterate through the array. If array is index is 0, set minimum number with the current element. And if the current element is smaller than the previous, update minimum to that element. And then return the final value of minimum number. Step 3. In the setMaximum function, iterate through the array. If array index is 0, set maximum number with current element. And if a current element is larger than the previous, update maximum to that element. And finally, return the final value of maximum number.